Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Alright, so now we will do the speaking test. First, part 1, tell me, what's your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you, Tom?
My name
How old are you?
is 7.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's right. Okay, now part 2. Tell me, okay, we have 6 pictures. First, what is it?
Duck. Duck. Tiger.
Very good.
Frog. Fish. Bird.
Alright. Okay, now, make a sentence with I can and I can't. Tell me, can you fly?
Yes, I can.
How about this? Can you fly?
No, I can't.
Very good. Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Can you jump?
No, I can't.
Very good. Okay, now let's move on. Phonics. Okay, we have up and Now let's separate it. Let's start with letter U. What is the sound of U in phonics? What is it?
Up.
Very good.
B.
So mix together.
Up.
That's right. Okay, now how about Now let's separate it. Letter U.
Up. B. Up.
Very good. Okay, now we have 4 pictures. Tell me. Let's use the phonics. Up and How about this?
Come.
That's right.
Come. Hum.
That's right.
Chum.
That's right. Okay, now tell me, what can fish do?
I can swim.
Very good. All right. Fish can swim. All right. Now tell me, how many tigers are there?
6 tigers.
6 tigers. Okay, now let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Exactly. That's right. Now tell me, can you jump?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I can.
All right. Jump. Yes. All right. Thank you.